Hello everyone, welcome to Realism YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel step by step, and then teach you some keyword optimization settings that most of the people miss out. If you are new here, make sure you click on the subscribe button to get notified of all the videos that will be shared here in the future coming. Let's jump and do it. YouTube is the second largest search engines in the world, and then a lot of people have now started creating a channel on YouTube, and they're uploading videos on YouTube because they want to make money on YouTube. YouTube pays people or pay creators for creating out uploading videos on YouTube because they are driving traffic to the website for people to come here and then watch. And then because of that, YouTube pays and is on their videos when they hit on the requirement, so that they can get monetized on their videos and get money on YouTube. And then in this video I want to teach you the step by step on how YouTube can become a YouTuber and then upload your videos. In this channel is for YouTube channel, so hit on the subscribe button because I'm going to take you through all the steps on how to create a YouTube channel, how to edit your video. Everything is on this channel, so check on the description below and click on and follow us on our social media handles. So let's jump and do it. If you are new on YouTube, this is how the interface is. You will see sign in here. Sign in here meaning you are first on YouTube, so you click on the sign in and wait for it to don't have a Google account. This is how it will look at. It's a add account. If you don't have a Google account, you say sign up or create account. So when I click on add, when I click on add, you say what, create a new account. So you don't have a Google account, you need to create a new account here. If you have some, you just add it up and then get started on YouTube. When you add your account, this is how it will send you to. So I've added my account, my name, and then everything, and then the name is what, when you check here, the name is set. So I've already created, that's a don't call, that's why the S is here. So that's the symbol. So when you create, you sign up and then it will send you here. So when you get here, the only thing to do is what, to click on this icon. Click on the S icon here. You click on the S icon. When you click on the S icon, you see create a channel. Create a channel. Create a channel. So when you click on the S icon, you see create a channel. You click on create a channel. Create a channel. Get started. We are now getting started to create as our journey to YouTube. So we are now get started. So you click on get started. Get started. We have two accounts on YouTube. We have personal account and then and a custom account. That's a brand account. A personal account is you use only your name, and then the brand account or the customized account you can use, it can be for company or a brand, anything. So that one you can use any name that you want, but for the personal account you use your name. So today we are coming to create a customized account. You can shift from customized account to what, to a personal account, the same as from personal account to a customized account. So today we are creating a customized account. So click on select. You click on the select, and then we are coming to add our name. What's the name that we want to use? So I type my name. I want to use this name, design. So this is the name that I want to use. I choose design. So I type on accept, I understand. So you need to tap on understand and click on create. So you say upload a picture. That is it. We are coming to upload our profile picture. So you click on upload, you click on it, you can drag and drop, or you can just go and select your picture, and then you add your profile picture. You have for description, what is your channel all about, what can we know about channel all about, and then you can write about thousands of words here to identify your channel, to talks about your channel. So let me say design is blah blah blah, design is blah blah blah. So this is what my channel. You write your description. Then if you have a website, this is where you link your website, your website's name, and then the website URLs. And then if you have any social media handles, you add your social media handles here. You add your Twitter, your Instagram here. This is the Facebook, and then Twitter, and then Instagram. You add it, and then you click on save, and then continue. So now I've created my YouTube account. So we are now going to customize our YouTube account. So to customize your YouTube account, we have here, we have the home video. So if you have videos, when you upload the video here, this is where you will find it, and then you create a playlist. I will show you how to create a playlist. Description or comment that people send to you, and then we come here, it's about your channel. So this is about my channel, what I wrote about my channel, and then the rest. So we are going to customize our channel. So you click on customize. So now we are coming to customize our channel. So when you click on customize channel, this is how the interface looks like. Here we are coming to set our channel art. Channel art is the background of your channel. So you click on channel art. These are some settings that we need to do. A lot of people don't do such settings, so take calm. Let me choose this one. Let's select it, and then it has been saved. So when you come here, this description, if you didn't add your description, you can add your description here, and then here is the email if you want people to send you a business mail, and then the rest. And then here you link your account, your social media account. Here you can link your social media account, your social media handles, and then the rest here. So this is here, you can do all these here, you can do all these settings here. So now we have added our channel art, and then let's continue. So we have now added our channel art. So click on your icon and go to YouTube Studio. Yeah, this is our dashboard of YouTube Studio. So this is how YouTube Studio looks like. So YouTube Studio helps you. This is the dashboard. So if you have a video here, how it is going on, the view in the description of your channel, you will see all these here. That's how the YouTube Studio works. If you come to videos, is the kind it will show you the videos, your videos on YouTube. Go to playlist, it will show you, and then the analyst, it will tell you how your videos are ranking on a YouTube, how people are seeing your YouTube, how your videos are ranking, so you know everything about your video, how your videos are ranking. And then the YouTube analyst helps you to do some settings that will make you rank your videos higher. And then when you come to comment, that's when people watch your video, they start typing something, thank you, everything, and then this here you will see it subtitle. And then monetization, when it comes to monetization, that's how if you have earned something, when you reach on the requirement level that YouTube needs to monetize your channel for you, so you get some bunch of money. That's what with the YouTube monetization program. So now let's continue with our settings. So come here and click on settings. Click on settings. When you click on settings, we have channel. We have general here. That's the currency. That's US dollar. We have channel. Yeah, this is the channel. So if you want to so this is the channel. So we are come to set up our channel. So we have here, you add a keywords to your channel, keywords that will make you rank higher. So the keywords is more really important, that will make you to rank higher. You select your country, you select, you type on it, you click on it, you select. So when you get to advanced, this is how the advanced looks like. So advanced, there are some settings you need to do here. So when you upload a video, it will tell you this video is for kids or not for kids. So when you can do these settings there, or when you upload a video, you start doing it. So if you want to review it, when you want, anytime you upload a video, you click on I want to review these settings for every video, or you can set it, this channel is not made for kids, it's not made for kids, you type, you click here, it's not made for kids. And then if you are running any Google AdSense, you link it here, you link your AdSense account. I recommend you to not link your AdSense account as a new channel. You wait for a while and then you start linking your AdSense account. You come to brand is how you tell people to do when you upload a video. And then the blank, this is how it looks like. So when you click here, you say choose image. This brand, you can use it to either you post your company logo here, or you add YouTube watermark for people to subscribe to your channel or anything. So when you come here, you choose anything that you want here as the brand, then you use it for your video. Let's go to future eligibility. Yeah, these settings we have not yet done. Yeah, when you come here, videos requirement, we have what? Channel is free of active community guidelines. Yeah, we are free of some settings here. We have not verify our phone number. So when you come here, you say video over 15 minutes, you have not we can add a custom thumbnail, we cannot stream live, we cannot get content ID. So we need to verify our phone number, or to be what, verified, to be eligible of all these things. So you say verify your phone number, you type here, you verify your phone number, you type here, you verify your phone number. Either you want verify your phone number, you type your phone number, country Ghana, you type your phone number, and then you choose whether you want YouTube to call you or to test you. So when I choose test, and then I type my phone number here, I click on submit, they will send me they will send me a confirmation link to be confirmed on this to confirm this and then verify my channel. So let's come to default. Yeah, this is very important. Yeah, you need to take note of this. When you upload a video, you need to add a title of your video. the title of the video helps your video to rank higher. So that's why I told you to click on the subscribe button, because in this our next video I'm going to show you how to choose a title for your video to rank higher, how to choose your description, and then there is the tags, and then there is, so don't forget, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell below to get notice of this. So let me talk to you about the title. A title tells about how your video is. So the title is what YouTube will show up when people search based on your title. So you click here, you type your title, you come to here, you tell your description, you come here. Is your video, do you want to post it in public or for private for some review before you bring it, or you want to unlisted it, and then you add a tax. I will do it our next video. I'll teach you how to add a tax and then what the tax means in YouTube. You come to advanced, you select a language for your video, you come here, community contribution, comment. Do you want to add your comment or you want people to comment? You type here and then you say allow or comment or who comment for review and the rest. So that's it. And then you come here, there's the is your video eligible for how your video is, the category of your video. So you come here and then you choose your category. If you are making video about entertainment, you choose entertainment, news and politics, to style, and then the rest, education, and then the rest, and then you choose it for your video. That will make YouTube know how to categorize your video for you. And then when you are done, you click on save. This thing or these settings can be, you can wait for it anytime you upload a video, and then you do all these settings, or you can set all these there, and then anytime you upload a video you just click on, and then you start uploading your, and then you start posting your video on YouTube. When you are done, you click on save. When you are done, you click on save. When you are done, you click on save. Where to upload the video? Yeah, when you are here, this is my channel. When I click here, this is my channel. I can click on your channel. I click on your channel, and then I upload my video, and then, or you can come straight here, click on upload a video. So if you want to upload a video, this is how the interface will appear. You can drag and drop your videos here, or you can click here and select files. And thank you for watching up my this tutorial. And then you can share this video to anyone you want. Don't forget to click on the subscription below to subscribe to my channel, and then get notice of all the videos that will be uploaded about YouTube, on how to get money on YouTube.